Hi guys, welcome. Today it's 16th of May and tomorrow will be 17th of May, which means it's Constitutional Day or National Day of Norway. I'm not gonna explain right now what is 17th of May for Norway, but it's a really important day for everyone here in Norway. But today I'm going to make some dessert. I'm thinking of making cookies and cream cheesecake, and I will try if it's possible to make a blueberry and raspberry cheesecake at the same time. So we were invited for tomorrow at my in-laws place, so I'm thinking to make some small desserts. So yeah, I hope it will be okay. Okay. So I have all my ingredients here and I'm going to prepare it right now. I have the form, I'm going to use this, and hand mixer, so the bowl, and this is and I'm gonna try this blender to crush these cookies, so I hope it works. We'll see. It looks like it didn't work, so I'm gonna do it manually. I think it's much easier for me to just do it manually. And now I'm preparing the batter to mix it together with the cookies. And then all we have to do is just mix them well. I thought it's gonna be difficult, but it looks like actually it's really easy to do it. All you have to do is just to prepare everything first, of course, then everything will be really easy. Okay, let's start. We put these cookies mixed with butter and then put it in the silicone form, just like what I'm doing. And then let's just press them down, form it nicely, and then I think clean the sides like what I'm doing here, because you're going to put it in the freezer and you're going to put cream on, so for presentation I think it looks more nicer when the sides are clean. Set aside. And now let's start with frosting. I have Philadelphia cream and I'm going to blend it. It's gonna be nicey, so bear with it. But I decided to just crush this Oreo because I need them as well. So I don't know why I didn't do it earlier. There you go. It's done now. I can do the frosting. Multitasking it is. Make sure that you blend it nicely. And then you can blend together the crushed cookies with the frosting or in the frosting. And blend them nicely.
And here is my cookie dough that we put in the freezer. Now we're going to put the frosting on the top. Put it nicely. 3 more to go. And there you go. And then just make sure that it's all even and put it in the freezer for overnight.
And hello there! Yesterday we made the cheesecake and put it in the freezer. It's here. And today Lorraine is here again. So we're going to put some frosting and some decoration as well. So we'll see. But actually others were deformed when I put them in the freezer. It was quite annoying, but yeah, can't do anything about it. This was it. Yeah. Let's start with this. Ooh, exciting. Whoa, look at that. Quite nice. Quite big though, but it's fun. And this is raspberry cheesecake. The other one is, of course, chocolate cookies and cream, I mean. By the way, I wash my hands, it's clean, I don't have any gloves, so trying to pick the nice one. Looks nice, no?
No.
So
Sample. Can I have sample?
yeah, but it's not yet done.
No, it's done. I don't want frosting.
So we have 2, 4, 6, 7 more left, and
6 more left.
2, 4, 6. Okay, 6 more. Lorraine wants it. So I'm gonna put it aside here, and I have a bowl. Some cream. I'm going to whisk. I hope it's enough. We'll see. Let's try this and then whipped cream is ready, is you have to just turn it upside down and it's oops, ready. So let's start. Have here peepings bags. Here, take some. Hirap ako yung baker.
I shouldn't.
What? Should have the right equipment. And voila! Okay. We'll see. Where am I going to hang them? Here maybe? Does it fit?
Uy, maganda.
That's nice. I-freeze muna natin. Pwede pa naman tayo. Patigasin ko lang siya. And then, wait. Tapos,
Ito ate, saan pala nito?
malapit pa naman eh. Diba? I'm so proud of my creation. Look at it! Ta-da! So this is our final presentation. We'll just put the top of cookies and cream here. And blueberry and raspberry cheesecake.